Well, hello everyone. Hope y'all having a wonderful day. Have y'all? I know y'all have seen these things. My wife got this, I don't know, some time ago, and it's welcome, and it keeps it by the door on the carport. Well, it come apart when my wife hit it with a car. Now, this thing was leaned up against the house, just a few inches off of it. This don't concern me. What concerned me, she got that close to the house. Yeah, it's going to be harder to fix the house than the car. Didn't hurt the car, but it sure popped apart. Well, anyway, she knew when she needed to stop. This okay. If y'all hang with me, we'll figure out how we're going to fix this thing. Well, guys, fixing signs. I guess it would still be together if wife hadn't hit it with a car. That was funny. Not so funny. She got so dang close to the house, so sure did. I don't know. I think I'll just nail it back together and fix it where it come apart again. That way, if she hits it again, it'll be easier to fix. If you know what I mean. But I can't believe that. I may throw a little glue on that. Oh Lordy, how about that? Run over it with the car. Oh my goodness. That's funny. Figured I'd make a video of it, me telling her she hit it with a car that way I can show it to her. Hit it with a car. Dang it. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it where it come apart a little easier, or just as easy. Cause she come out there. You ought to hurt her. Oh boy. How about that? Hit it with the car. Let's get her lined back up. I'm just going to nail it back together and be done with it. Oh, come on. There it went. Let me get me one in here. Let's see if that looks like welcome, don't it? Yeah. Maybe put me an extra nail or two. Yeah, I better get me another nail. Oh boy. Nana, nana, nana. Need some of these with the teeth on it. Maybe it'll be alright. Yeah, these two things got a little trick to them. There they go. I think that, yeah. I just want to show y'all something right here. I don't know, some people, historians and whatnot, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that didn't take long, did it? I want to show this camera to you. All right, now let's think about this a minute. I'm 67 years old. My grandfather, this was his hammer. He gave that to me a long time ago. Yes, think about that a minute. There's no telling how old, and as far as I know, it's original handle. But there's no telling how old this is. I ain't 1,000-year-old, nothing like that, but I got a keepsake that I use around the shop that was my grandfather's. I've got I got some stuff my dad had, stuff that's handed down, and all like it right there. I just I don't know. Every time I use that hammer, I think of him. And when I was a little boy, I can remember that 6, 7 year old. Oh, he'd build this, he'd build that, and he was quite good at. He's pretty sharp. My dad, he was more into building birdhouses and that kind of thing. And I guess that's why I took woodworking when I was in school. And I just enjoy it. I've been down here all day just piddling. To me, it's a lot of fun. It sure is. Well, I just thought I'd touch base with you and do a little short video right here. I hit the welcome sign and tore it up. Well, guys and gals, I tell you what, y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all on the next one.